Learning Japanese may seem overwhelming at first. New grammar, 3 writing systems, and thousands of kanji. But, with the right routine, it's completely achievable. In this video, we'll show you a realistic daily routine that can help you make steady progress, no matter if you're a beginner or intermediate learner. Backed by research and our own daily practice, this is what really works. Good morning, friends. I'm here from a language learning channel. I've been learning Japanese consistently for over 2 years, and today, I'm excited to share my best daily routine with you all. Let's start with the morning. Wake up and greet the day. It's a new chance to learn. After waking up, I like to get into the mood for the day with some listening and reading input. Even just 15 to 30 minutes makes a difference. You could listen to a short podcast like Coffee Break, Japanese while making breakfast, or start your day with NHK Easy News. It's a great resource for beginners. Read a manga, a graded reader, or a simple Japanese blog. The goal here is immersion, not perfection. Use tools like Yomichen or Rikachun on your browser to look up words instantly. Building a natural rhythm and vocabulary without burning out is key. An immersion helps you internalize the language. Next, let's talk about the midday. You have some focused study time. It's time to dive deeper. Dedicate about 30 to 60 minutes to focused study during your day. Split your time like this: 15 to 20 minutes for SRS, for example, Anki, for vocabulary, and Kanji. 20 to 30 minutes for grammar practice using resources like Take Hymns, Cure Dolly, or a Genki textbook, and 10 minutes for writing a journal entry. Even just a few sentences are fine. Make sure to speak out loud as you study. Pronunciation matters. Speaking and writing train your brain to think in Japanese, not just translate from English. Say, in the evening, it's time for output practice. Time to put your knowledge into practice. In the evening, focus on output, speaking, and writing. Try a language exchange with native speakers on apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. If you prefer writing, you can also find pen pals through the mail. Watch a drama or anime without subtitles and repeat key lines out loud. This helps with listening, pronunciation, and memorizing useful phrases. Record yourself talking about your day in Japanese. This is an excellent way to improve your speaking skills and get comfortable expressing yourself in Japanese. Even 10 minutes of speaking practice per day can boost your confidence and fluency over time. Make Japanese a part of your daily life. Consistency is key. The key to success isn't just about the study. It's consistency and making it a habit. So here are some bonus tips. Change your phone and apps to Japanese. Follow Japanese creators on YouTube or Instagram. Set small weekly goals, like learning 20 new words or reading 1 article. Make Japanese part of your daily life, like brushing your teeth. The more fun and natural it feels, the longer you'll stick with it. Learning Japanese is a journey, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the journey. It's not about reaching fluency overnight, it's about consistent effort and celebrating small victories. Whether you're a student, working professional, or just someone who wants to learn Japanese, you don't need 5 hours a day to make progress. What you need is a smart routine that you can stick to. A balanced approach combining input, study, and practice can help you learn effectively. Remember, start small, stay consistent, and make it a habit. Ganbot ni. Good luck!